If you're having painful intercourse, one of the most helpful things you can think about is to try to stop doing what hurts. So, this sounds a little bit disappointing to think I want to get to a goal of having sexual intercourse again. But if it's painful, what happens is your body starts to become conditioned to expect sex to be painful. And then it expects that, and you're not going to want to have any kind of painful experience. Your body's trying to protect you from pain. One of the most helpful things we think about is to try to think of all the different items that are on your sexual menu. If penetrative intercourse is painful, what else is on the menu that might not be painful? That might include external stimulation, using hands to touch one another, using mouths to touch one another, or using toys. So, all of these are options that might actually be more pleasurable when you have less pain. We'd encourage you to think about for at least a time while you're working on addressing things like vaginal dryness or other causes of vaginal pain that you focus on what's working and eliminate what's not working. So many people who work with me tell me that they are trying to kind of push through the pain, hoping that it will get better with time. And sometimes that's not the case. What it does is condition our nervous system to expect pain and actually can make pain worse and more likely. So we're better to say for a time, maybe 6 months or so, while I'm working on treating vaginal health using moisturizers or vaginal estrogen or some of these other strategies to help restore the health of these tissues, that we're going to take the things that hurt off the table and we're going to see if we can focus on other things that can be pleasurable and not painful. This helps you set up a better mindset when it comes to anticipating sex. If you've had a whole 6 months where you haven't had any pain experiences and you've just had pleasure and enjoyment, your desire will increase and your interest and motivation to be sexual and your willingness to be sexual will improve over time.